Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add portfolio to Shopify. So first thing what you have to do is access your account and then go to your website. In this left panel, we now first need to create our template. Let's go ahead and click on online store over here. From here, go to themes and click on customize. Now from here at the top section, you should be able to see the home page button. Let's go and click on home page. From here, you want to go to pages and under pages, we want to click on the create template option. Now from here, we want to name this as, for example, I'm going to name this as portfolio because we will be editing this later on. Let's go and click on create template. Now from here, once you have done that, we are now ready to start editing it. It's really important because whenever you go to pages here or going to contact, as you can see when you go to contact here, it is the changes that we are doing. But when we go to the option here portfolio, this is what it's going to look like. So it's really important that create your own template here first. Now from here what we need to do is we need to go to the pages here, click on the app page at the top right, and from here just need to add your title. So just name this as portfolio. And from here we want to choose the theme template. Now from here choose the portfolio option. From here click the save button at the bottom right of your screen. Once you have done that, we need to go now to navigation. Now in navigation go to main menu and you want to click on add menu item. From here go ahead and add the name. So this is going to be portfolio. From here click on search and go to the pages option here. And here click on portfolio and click on add. Once you have added that, let's go ahead and click on save menu at the bottom right, and from here we want to go ahead and go back to themes. From here click on customize, and as you can see right now we now have a portfolio link. In this case you can go ahead and just click on the portfolio option for you to redirect to the portfolio section. As you can see right now we now have a portfolio. Now alternatively you can access this in a different way by clicking on the home page at the top section here, go to the pages and from here click on portfolio. Now from here you can go ahead and start editing in whatever way here. For example, add in sections that you want, like for announcing bar, and allow more if you want to add blocks. Here you can go ahead and do that, add sections in template itself, all these things. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.